there, my friend. Welcome back to the studio today. As you know, you receive Teaching Tuesday emails, the sky's the limit emails that come from me. Of course, I centralize on clouds and skies and sunsets, but I do touch on other things too, just to help you. But I just wanted to give you a heads up, follow up Saturday morning in the studio with Linda. And that will be a review of everything that took place in case you missed it. If there is a video that you missed, you're going to get a replay of that, all the links, all kinds of information, free things for you there, different outlines, the outlines on clouds, plein air painting, stuff about palettes. It's all going to be housed in my art locker and you'll have access to that. That's all free stuff that I just give to help you on this journey. So anyway, keep an eye out and don't forget summer is on its way. We will be doing the summer sketch giveaway again. Remember, practice is the key. You stay at the easel.